What's going on? We're back, and I wanted to show off some of the parts that I got for the 240. And later in this episode, we're gonna go to a car show, and we're hopefully gonna take 240 out there. They just destroyed my street, so it's like a 3-inch drop off of my curb, so hopefully we can get it out. But let me show you some updates I have to the car, and then we can get to the parts list and get to going to car shows and stuff. Our number one issue with the 240 was that it overheated, and I found out that the old radiator I had was a single pass. So we installed a Koyo-Rad dual pass radiator, and that should allow us to be like 10-20 degrees cooler, hopefully during like track events. We also got a new crackless windshield from Invictus Auto Glass, and it looks amazing. They did a good job. It actually, I had some chipping paint up here, and the new trim, this is not the factory trim, but it like covers that chipping paint, so it actually looks a lot better. So I went ahead and spent pretty much every dollar I own on car parts, and I'll show you guys the list of stuff that I got. We'll start it off right with the best thing. I purchased a Garrett 3076R turbo for this engine, and I also purchased a Link ECU, which is actually inside right now. But we have a Link ECU that it's going to plug in here, and I'm hoping I can use this manifold because I have no more money, and I'm going to try and put it on this manifold, put it on the car, and hopefully make a ton of power. I also ordered Injector Dynamic 1000cc injectors. I have brand new in the box 350Z coil packs, because those are good for like 500 horsepower, and I think we're only going to push like 450 on this thing. But that'll also allow me to have like interchangeable coil packs between these two cars, which would be super nice if one of them starts misfiring, we could diagnose it quickly. I went ahead and splurged a little bit and also bought a wiring specialty harness with every drop that's possible on it. And we also got a brand new Sparco harness. So Jordan was nice enough to allow me to borrow his Takatas, but I'm gonna take them out, give them back to him, and then we could put our brand new Sparcos in, and should be sick. Yeah, that's like the parts list and the plan for this car. So I really wanted to get it to like 450 horsepower. Right now I'm at like maybe 280, 300. And I wanted to be at that power range because like everybody at the events are faster than me, and at the competition wise are faster than me. And I need to be able to keep up so I can actually like podium or do something. And I was always cutting angle or cutting line, and it just looks bad. And then in the process of that, I was also kind of like messing up because I was trying so hard to be able to chase people rather than like just doing what I do on the simulator where we're all the same power and I'm just on their door. So these upgrades should hopefully allow me to get the car where I want it. Now we just play the waiting game of shipping for a few different items, and then hopefully find time to install everything and get it tuned to this season. If we don't get it tuned this season, that's gonna suck. But we got some good people on board that are gonna help me out with the tuning and setting everything up, and I think we should be all right. With that being said, this is the 4th year on this motor, so hoping it lasts longer, obviously, but I need to get this other engine built. I have no more money, so if you guys need parts, go to eBay and buy some stuff from me because I'm poor. And I'm gonna take the engine head to this motor to Nolan's here in KC. They do the absolute best work on heads. So let's go ahead and get that engine head taken there. This is Nolan's head shop. It's kind of crazy. I was just talking with them, and they said that they do stuff like all around the world. So people will ship stuff to them, and they just ship it back. They said they're doing stuff in like for people that live in like Israel or people that are living in all other states right now. It's kind of nuts. So if you guys need anything, ship your stuff to these guys. They do the best work. So. Battery's dead. All right, round 2. Uh-oh. Well, this isn't what I expected. I gotta jump the car, so that sucks. I forgot to record, but now it's on. This is what it was like buying a 350Z from the factory, brand new. This thing is, it's like a Porsche. Holy.